If you have online accounts with each or any of the 3 major credit bureaus, the process is pretty simple, and we're going to walk you through that today. Experian also offers the ability to unfreeze your credit through their website portal. If you don't already have an Experian account, they are free, and you can create one before following these steps. Under the credit support section along the top navigation, you'll see an option for add a security freeze. Right next to that, to the right, you'll see remove or lift a security freeze. In order to do this, you're going to need to verify a lot of your personal information, which includes your first name, last name, address, date of birth, and social security number, as well as your email address associated with your Experian account. The final piece of the puzzle is entering your PIN. When you originally froze your credit with Experian, just like some other credit bureaus, they will issue you a secret PIN that you should write down and save. And that's what you'll need to unfreeze the account. Once you enter that PIN, you can choose whether this unfreeze is temporary or permanent. And if it's temporary, of course, you can choose the start date and end date. In this specific example, we'll show you how to do a permanent unfreeze of your credit. Just to select permanent and the radio button just above the submit section, check the box for agreeing to their terms and conditions and click the submit button. Success! Now you'll see a confirmation screen that says your security freeze has been successfully removed. They also allow you the option to print it out or email yourself that confirmation just so you have it for your records. Thanks so much for watching the videos today. Don't forget to activate credit monitoring in the Citrus app for optimum protection while your credit is unfrozen. Thanks again, and stay safe out there.